pass away, your half of the house will not automatically go down to your spouse. It depends on how you hold title to that property. It can be tenants in common or joint tenants with rights of survivorship. If you have joint tenants with rights of survivorship, it will automatically avoid the probate process and your half of the house will go down to your surviving spouse, allowing them to own 100% of the property. With tenants in common, it can go one of two ways. If you own a will or if you do not own a will. So with a will, if you specify in there that your surviving spouse will get your half of the house, after the probate process, your spouse will end up with 100% of that property. If you do not have a will, it will get split up per the intestate laws. So your kids and your surviving spouse will split your half of the house and then jointly own that property. Now, as an example, if you have one kid and a surviving spouse and they're going to get 50-50 of your half of the house, that means in total, your kids will own 25% of the house and your surviving spouse will own 75%. Now, if you want to avoid the probate process and you're only thinking about your house, you can change the ownership from tenants in common to joint tenants with rights of survivorship. That way, your property will automatically pass down to your surviving spouse without the probate process. If you are considering other assets and you are thinking about how to manage those assets differently, you can put your house inside of a revocable trust along with the other assets, and then you can control how and when those assets get distributed and managed. And then as an example, you can sell that house to take care of your surviving spouse when they go through end-of-life care. The trustee will take care of all the finances on behalf of your surviving spouse, and then you can pass it down to your kids once they pass away. Examples. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.